Understanding Stay Afloat, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, stay afloat. This is a common expression in English, often used in both literal and metaphorical contexts. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding phrases like this is key to mastering the English language. So, let's dive in. Stay afloat originally comes from a nautical context. It means to keep floating on water and not sink. Imagine a boat or a ship in the water. When it stays afloat, it remains on the surface, avoiding sinking. This literal use is easy to visualize and helps in understanding its more figurative applications. In everyday speech, stay afloat is often used metaphorically. Here, it doesn't involve water but rather refers to surviving or managing in challenging situations. For example, when someone says, "I'm just trying to stay afloat with all my work," they mean they are trying to manage their workload and not fall behind or fail. It's about keeping up with challenges, much like a boat stays on the water's surface. Let's look at some examples to see how stay afloat is used in sentences. 1. Financial context. After losing her job, she found it hard to stay afloat financially. 2. Business scenario. Small businesses often struggle to stay afloat during economic downturns. 3. Personal life. With so much going on, he's just trying to stay afloat and not get overwhelmed. These examples show the versatility of the phrase in various contexts. When using stay afloat, remember it's typically about managing difficulties. Avoid using it in contexts where things are easy or highly successful. For instance, saying, "He is staying afloat in his vacation," doesn't make sense because vacations are generally relaxing, not challenging. And that's a wrap on Stay Afloat. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations and writings. Remember, understanding such expressions can greatly enhance your fluency in English. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Keep practicing and stay afloat in your English learning journey.